In construction, with most C buildings, I see ecosystems of risk, opportunity, and contractual obligation converging in three-dimensional spaces. I'm Kenechukwu Aluka, short, Ken. A designer, architect, construction scientist, community developer, and jurisprudence connoisseur. Jurisprudence being law and legal relations, bringing a synthesis of disciplines that transforms how we conceptualize, estimate, and deliver the built environment. My foundation spans multiple degrees: bachelor's in architecture and construction science and management, master's in architecture and advancement towards my master's in community development and planning. But formal education represents merely the scaffolding. My intensive private study in jurisprudence, being the philosophy and application of law, provides the critical dimension most construction professionals overlook. Why this matters is because every line item in an estimate, every construction document, every subcontractor agreement exists within a legal framework. Understanding construction contract law, tort liability, and regulatory compliance isn't just supplementary. It's fundamental to protecting project integrity and client interest. My estimation and construction management process operates at the intersection of technical precision and legal acuity. First, I conduct comprehensive constructability reviews, analyzing not just quantities and labor rates, but contractual exposures embedded in the design documents. My architectural training allows me to read intent behind drawings, identifying coordination conflicts before they become change orders. Second, I leverage data analytics and research methodology to develop probabilistic cost models, not static estimates. Using Bluebeam, Procore, and Primavera P6, I create dynamic frameworks that account for market volatility, schedule compression, and risk allocation. Third, and this distinguishes my approach, I structure estimates with legal defensibility. Every assumption documented, every exclusion explicitly stated, every scope boundary defined, and with contractual clarity. This prevents the disputes that erode project margins and relationships. But technical excellence serves a larger purpose. My vision extends beyond individual projects to community development, creating built environments that address community concerns. Understanding zoning law, community benefit agreements, and public-private partnerships allows me to navigate the complex regulatory and political landscapes where transformative projects either flourish or flounder. I've managed FEMA disaster recovery programs, HUD compliance initiatives, and infrastructure developments across multiple jurisdictions. Each taught me that sustainable community development requires equal parts: technical competency, legal sophistication, and cultural intelligence. This synthesis, architecture creativity, construction science rigor, community engagement, and jurisprudence analytical framework, creates a rare competitive advantage. I don't just estimate costs, I architect solutions that account for technical, financial, legal, and social dimensionals simultaneously. That's not just expertise, that's virtuosity in service of vision. Thank you.